Hey everyone, my name is Kajal and this video it's just a get to know me video, and through this video I would like to know you better. So first thing, before going into the video, I would like you to comment down below what are you up to these days. Are you in Canada? Are you in India? And or you are in some other country of the world? What are you up to these days? Are you planning to do Ielts soon? And if you're in Canada, like, are you studying right now? What subjects you are studying? I would love to know more about you. So first thing, go down in the comment box and type what you are up to. And also I would definitely like to be more active on YouTube nowadays, so comment down below that what are the videos that you would like me to make further. So maybe it could be anything related to Ielts. What are the most difficult challenges you are facing in Ielts? If not Ielts, then maybe in PT, what are the challenges you are facing? Then you can discuss further. Maybe if you want some me to make a video that how to search how much salary you can earn in Canada if you do a particular course, or how to basically choose a course yourself, for like how to choose a course for yourself if you're coming to Canada. So if you want me to make any of those videos or anything that you have particularly in your mind, please let me know. I'd love to make a video on it. And once you are done, then I would of course tell you about myself. So I am doing food science technology program in Canada right now, and I'm studying in Centennial College. So it has an optional co-op program too. So I did my co-op in a company that makes beer here. It's a local craft brewery where I did my co-op. So I was a quality technician there, where we check the quality of the beer. Now don't think that we only taste the beer to check the quality. We do different chemical tests on it. We do the biological tests like the microbes test. We run the PCR on it, and it's a lot of things that I learned over there. And I would of course like to talk about Centennial College in this video, because Centennial College has been an important part of my journey. And I know once you're done with Ielts, or even before doing Ielts, a lot of students would like to know how is food science technology program, how is Centennial College if you are like trying to choose that. So I would tell you all about this in this video. So first of all, I'll tell you about myself. When I came to Canada, I got job in Tim Hortons, and I was working there as a team member. And then after it, and I was of course doing my studies along with it. So I was doing like the 20 regular hours and managing my studies. So the thing with Centennial College is that, like, it is same as if you do from a good college, let it be Centennial, let it be Seneca, Humber, Georgetown, any of the colleges, they give you a lot of work. Like for example, right now I am in my last semester in Centennial College, so I think I'm in a very good position to tell you that how Centennial College works and how are the things around. So of course they give you a lot of assignments, and I was in a fast track program. So fast track program, like once you are graduated, it's a post secondary program, but it's fast track. So if you have done any qualification from India, you get to skip the first year of it, and then you can do the rest of the courses. So normally in every semester I have around 5 to 7 courses. Even I had 9 in one semester. So along with that, it was really difficult for me to manage YouTube, and mostly I was taking live classes on YouTube, so it was very hard for me to come live on YouTube, like because I have to come either at early morning or in the evenings. But like because of that, I had to, like, I somehow stopped making YouTube videos. But of course I love teaching you Ielts, I love teaching. And you know how I started again doing like the teaching part. I recently got a position in Centennial College as a peer tutor. So peer tutor is a facility that Centennial College provides students for free, but I am paid of course. So what happens in peer tutor is that you are um, if you are in your first semester, second semester, or any semester, you can book a tutor for yourself who is a senior of yours or someone who has graduated. They would teach you what, like, not teach you what you learn in a class, but they can help you in your assignments, in solving your doubts. Sometimes uh, there are some things that you cannot discuss with your professor regarding the subject, and they can help you make it more clearer. So that's what my job is. So that's how I started, going back and teaching what I have learned during my curriculum. So that thing inspired me a lot, and I was like, oh no, I miss teaching so much. So I decided that yes, the YouTube is the way to go. I have to be more active on YouTube now on. So here I am. So talking about Centennial College, um, okay, sorry, I was talking about myself first. So I was working in Tim Hortons at that time, and then everything was going well, and then I had my co-op. So I did co-op in Amsterdam Beauty, which is a beer craft brewery. So because of that, I reduced my hours at Tim Hortons, and as soon as I finished it, um some things happened and I left Tim Hortons, and now there's another coffee shop. It's just Timothy's. I'm working there as a part-time, and of course I'm doing my college with it. Then talking about Centennial College, of course, as I told you, it gives a lot of assignments to you. So if you are someone who wants to focus on their studies, because this happened with me. I went to a college tour, so some other, like, to a company, and they have co-op students, one from Centennial College who haven't done food science. She was doing biotech program, not even food science. And then there was another student who was doing food science from Lambton College. And I don't know, I felt a lot of difference between the knowledge that a Centennial College student had and a Lambton student would have. Like, of course, there could be, like, it would depend upon a student how much they want to learn and how much they take out of it. But I personally think that Centennial College really prepares you for the industry. Like in India, when I have studied, of course, I have done a bachelor in science, right? But none of that course, like, I don't remember a part of it that prepared me for the industry. But when I came here, I did 2 semesters before doing my co-op. So in those 2 semesters, I learned so much about the industry, how it works, and it really helped me uh, succeed in the industry in my co-op. So that was a great part of it. And similarly, if you talk about like, that was of the like, of course, that's how Centennial College teaches you. And even after completing the co-op, when I am taking courses in my third semester and my fourth semester, I know the value of things that they are teaching me and how it will be helpful to me. There were some parts that were even missing from the industry that they are teaching us, and it is like, about the course that I have. It really prepares you for the industry. Although the course I'm doing is not a in the start a very high paid job, or like a really nice job. You won't get a very nice job after doing food science technology, because food is something that is really difficult to manufacture, and like, to, of course, you have to, with the inflation, you have to keep the cost low and everything. So it's not a very high paying industry. As you go do a IT program or some other program, it's not that highly paid program. But as far as food science is concerned, yes, the Centennial College really prepares you for the program. They really teach you each and everything you'll be needing by industry. For example, this semester I'm learning about the regulations, about the packaging of food, and how to do the quality testing of it, how the all the management systems work, how the health support things work. So this is something that I have seen lacking in other, like, colleges curriculum. So that was the only reason that I was so inclined towards that this subject or and this course in Centennial College only, because when you see the things that they teach here, it is like it's a very unique program which I didn't find in any of the colleges near Toronto and like in Ontario region. So it's a really good course to do, and Centennial College of course makes you work a lot, and sometimes you would be awake till 3 a.m. in the morning, and then you have to go to class in 8:30 a.m. and then go to work. So that is all part of it. That is what you have to be prepared for, and of course it helps you prepare for the industry as well. That it really helps you. So right now I am like where I am right now. I am currently in my last semester of food science technology. So I am looking for jobs. If you have any references in Canada, please let me know. And of course, I'm going through like different job postings, and it is really hard, of course, again to manage the curriculum of of this last semester, and then of course finding jobs. So you have to apply to each and every job. If you would like to know how I got my co-op, about part-time jobs, how I got my part-time job in here in Canada, or any of the videos, please let me know. I will love to make it for you. But the main purpose of this video was to get to know you better, and give you an idea where I am right now. So I would really like to know you better. Please comment down that at what stage of processing you are, what are you doing these days, and I'll be really happy to know that, and I'll be really happy to help you out. Thank you.